Here are the less known and surprising facts about animals. Octopuses have 3 hearts and blue blood. Elephants can hear through their feet. Penguins propose with pebbles. Octopuses can taste with their arms. Giraffes have the same number of neck bones as humans. Crows can recognize human faces. Bats are the only flying mammals. They are not blind. In fact, some species can see and use echolocation to navigate in the dark. Caterpillars completely dissolve inside their cocoon. Their bodies turn into soup before reorganizing into a butterfly. Sea otters hold hands while sleeping. Some lizards can shoot blood from their eyes. Parrots name their chicks. Studies show some parrot species use unique calls to identify their own offspring. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. They can slow their heart rate and hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. Butterflies drink turtle tears. In the Amazon, butterflies sip the salty tears of turtles for essential minerals. Clownfish are all born male. Male clownfish changes into female when the dominant female dies. This process is called sequential hermaphroditism. Ants don't have lungs. They breathe through tiny holes in their body called spiracles, which let air flow directly to their tissues. Like and subscribe to Critter World.